Welcome to Independent Clothing Initiative, Quick Tips for Better Sewing with Jill Haggerty. Today we're talking about pinning. Pinning is one of those skills that feels like it should be intuitive and it should be easy and you shouldn't have to watch a video about it. It's not something that you really think you need to work on until the first time you try to pin something. Why is it so tricky? Come on, I'll show you a few tips. You'll get it in no time. Pinning is really pretty simple with a few tricks. Trick number 1, have a great pin cushion. This is my favorite. I love to throw my pins and just have them land right onto my pin cushion. Trick number 2, when you lay your pattern out, in order to pin, squeeze the pattern and the fabric up. Go down and back up. Just like that. Do it again. Squeeze, down, and back. Squeeze the fabric and the pattern, down, and back up. When you're cutting out a pattern piece, make sure that you're pinning in the direction of the edge of the pattern. Down and back up. All of my needles are pointing towards the edge of my fabric that I will now sew. The reason for this is that if I should accidentally run over a needle with my sewing machine, it will not break my sewing machine needle. While sewing, simply stop, pull out the needle, put it on your pin cushion, and continue. Stop before you run over the needle, pull it out, put it on your pin cushion, continue.
Stop, pull it out,
put it on your pin cushion, and continue. If my pin were in the other direction and the head of the needle were here, it would break my sewing needle. I may or may not be speaking from experience. That's it. Get out there, sew, and have fun. Now time to practice. See you next time on Quick Tips for Better Sewing with Jill Haggerty. So easy, right? Like, why do we need a video? But why is this so tricky?